Hi viewers, this is Vimaladi. Today we will talk about most amazing fact. So before hear that, those people who haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Okay? Come on viewers, let us go into the video. Viewers, today we will talk about most famous country in the world. Don't you know about it? No problem. That is India, our country. In India, we have to know lot of things in it, but we never know all these things. Through this video, we will know all these things about our beautiful country as India. I come to the point number one. Do you know why have Switzerland people been celebrating the Science Day in their country? If you don't know, no problem. On May 26th, 2006, in that day, our great scientist and honorable Prime Minister Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had visited the Switzerland. That's why the Switzerland people have been celebrating the day as Science Day. How big achievement is this to Indians, right? I think all countries in the world have known about India's pride, but Indian people haven't known the pride of our country. Hereafter, we should proud to be a Indian, right, viewers? Let me come to the point number two: the skeleton lake. After you hear this, what the name is this, right? Same to me also. Go by go, you will know all these things. Okay, viewers. This lake is called as Skeleton Lake by the local people. In this lake, lot of skeletons are dumped in it. No one know why this lake is being like that, because we have grown the big point in science things. Even though we can't pick the point why this lake is being like that. And in my next video we will see about this lake briefly. Okay viewers, okay, if you get a chance to go that lake, then what will you do? I will say like that, you must not go there. Beyond that, if you go to the lake, then you have to be a brave man, right? Let me come to the point number three. This is a most amazing fact, friends. When I see this fact, then I was really ambitious, because most Indians are thinking like that. Indians having to know much knowledge in English, but that is wrong. After Americans, Indians got the sign prize for speaking English fluently. How big achievement is this, right? Yeah, it is really true. In India, 10% of people are speaking English. Hereafter, if anyone said like that, Indians haven't known much English, you show this proof to them, okay? After hear this news, I'm so proud, because I'm also speaking English, right? Okay, let me come to the point number four. Viewers, hereafter coming up videos are so mystery things to see. In Gujarat, Amreli district, Tulsiam, the village has that road. If you go to the village, then you think to stop your car in there. You should park your car with gear, otherwise your car will go up to a hill against the gravitational pull. Is this freaky, right? Hereafter, will you go to the place? I think I never go to the place. I don't know about yourself. Let me come to the point number five. I think this fact is also same like our previous fact, because mysterious anti-gravitational hills in Ladakh. These hills are called as magnetic hills. Now we went to Gujarat. After that, we will go to the Ladakh. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in the world. I think you won't know this fact also, right? In this place, we won't allowed to go there. Beyond that, if we go there, then we should put our car in gear, otherwise we must lost our car or anything else. It is so amazing to hear, right? Viewers, I will make another video to this fact. We will see about all these things in that video. Okay viewers, this video ends with this. In my next video we will see more amazing facts than this video. And you would subscribe my channel and like this video and comment this video also. If you want me to make any video, then you can leave it in comment section below. Okay friends, until Vimaladi leaves, bye bye.